Today we are going to show you how to add classes with in-app registration. With the new in-app registration, you are able to do everything in one screen. Starting in UAOnline, head to the Schedule Planner and Registration. Select your term and campuses. Once in Schedule Planner, go ahead and select Add Course. As an example, we'll use Anthropology A101 and Math A105 and select Add Course Number, and then select Go Back to Generate Schedules. On the main screen, select Generate Schedule and select View on the schedule that works best for you. In the top corner of this screen, select Send to Shopping Cart. You'll be brought to the shopping cart for the term you've selected. Here, select Register. Select Agree and confirm that you want to register for this schedule. You are now registered for your selected classes. Another convenient way to add classes is if you were given the CRN for the class, otherwise known as Course Reference Number, you need to register for. Starting on the main page again, select Current Schedule. If you are currently registered for classes, you will see which classes you are already registered for. Otherwise, you will see a screen that says you haven't registered for any classes and give you the option to build a schedule or enter a CRN. Type in the CRN you were given and click Register. If you are currently registered in a class, enter the new CRN in the box and click Register. If you have any questions about registration, please contact UAA Registrar at 907-786-1480 option 5 or email us at uaa.registration@alaska.edu. Thanks for watching.